This is a video about longitude and latitude. This is a system which is used in geography and maps, but also the time zones rely on this system. The world is round and very big, and therefore it's not always easy to say where exactly you are. So, navigators invented a system to mark different places on Earth. First, you must know that you can divide the world in different halves, the northern and the southern hemisphere, and the western and the eastern hemisphere. Hemisphere is just another word for half a circle. The world is divided into the northern and the southern hemisphere by the equator, in Dutch called the evenaar. The equator is an example of a latitude line, a horizontal line around the Earth. Obviously, you can't see the equator. It's an imaginary line. Although, some countries have drawn the line where the equator should be, so that you can stand on it. Another word for a latitude line is parallel. This is because the latitude lines are always parallel to each other, so the distance between the latitude lines is always the same. To understand the system of latitude and longitude, we must know a little bit of math. There we go. A full circle is 360 degrees. Half a circle is half of that, so 180 degrees. A quarter is 90 degrees. The Earth is a circle, and if we look at latitude lines, they can go from the equator to the North Pole or the South Pole. So the maximum degrees there can be is a quarter of a circle, which means that we can go 90 degrees north or south. The Netherlands, for example, is at 52 degrees north. Apart from the equator, there are two other latitude lines you must know: the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, which you see here. The word tropic comes from the tropical weather in this region, and the words Capricorn and Cancer come from the star signs. So in summary, latitude lines are horizontal lines that go around the Earth that can go from 90 degrees north to 90 degrees south. Now let's have a look at longitude lines. Longitude lines are lines that go from north to south, from the North Pole to the South Pole. Another word for a longitude line is a meridian. The 0 degrees line is not the equator, but the so-called prime meridian that goes through Greenwich, which is in London. You can go east or west of the prime meridian, from Greenwich all the way to the Pacific Ocean. In total, half a circle, and therefore 180 degrees east or west. The Netherlands is at 5 degrees east. When you combine latitude and longitude, you can easily find any place on Earth. And then, this is what it looks like. Have a look at this map. For example, place A is at 60 degrees north and 90 degrees west. Can you find out where place E is? The right answer should be 30 degrees north and 150 degrees east.